Do you remember this? You may not know, but this is Nelson in his bed. He loved this bed. Just look at his face. He is actually smiling. He loved that bed, but... Terry! Oh, look. Oh, Nelson, what has he done to your bed? Nelson had to go to the vets. Look at Nelson's face. Look at his tongue. Apparently they gave him a painkiller for his x-ray, but boy, look at him. He can't even walk. Look at his tongue. Nelson, what did they do to you? What did they do to you? That is some serious painkiller. Nelson, they told me they only gave you a painkiller. Look, Terry's waiting, he's panicking. Did we leave you, Terry? Did we leave you? All right, let's put this phone down and get this dog out. Come on in. Yes, I've got no, yes, Terry. You are a muppet. It's Nelson, yes. Come on in. Here's Nelson. Here's Nelson. I love you. Right, Nelson, where you been? Where you been? Oh, we're finished. He had already destroyed another bed that Nelson loved. Poor Nelson had to resort to a cardboard box, but what it did mean is because the carry crate was no longer any good as a kennel, neither of them wanted to sleep on a hard floor, it meant I could leave it in the car to transport them, which meant that we could just hop in the car every day because there was no lugging it down the stairs to put it in the car. So every day, or more often, we could just hop in the car and go exploring on our daily walks instead of just walking around the house around here. Therefore, we could show you around a little bit more. So that's what we're going to do in this video. Can't remember where we're going today, but we're going to show you around. Just look how beautiful this road is. It's very pretty. Right, we have actually managed, that little face, a whole drive without that or a load of wincing and whining and fidgeting. So we are making good progress. Good boys. Right, we've got a place in the shade to park. These are seatbelt leads, and they're quite useless as seatbelt leads, but they make very good because I can... This is what we usually have, Terry. They're so excited when they turn up somewhere new. They think, where are we? Where are we? Terry, just wait. Just wait. We're just explaining something about your leads. Anyway, poor Terry has a heart attack. So they're really handy just to hook them here when they get out the car while I sort myself out. Because I can't leave them waiting in the car because of this one. Just too excited as to, where are we? Where are we going? Right, should we go and explore somewhere new? Right, I couldn't really show you the chaos that we have when we are waiting to sort ourselves out and get our leads on at the car. I'm constantly having to say, wait, sit, stay, stay, stay still, wait, wait, because they're just like, where are we? Where are we going? Because it's one thing going on their daily walks from the house where they know, but as soon as we get in the car, and it just fascinates them every time to then, for me, to then open the doors and then they get out of the car and they're somewhere completely new. This way, they just, it just blows their mind. Oh, this is lovely. Great place to bring the paddleboard that I nearly bought but never did. But this is beautiful. So these signs still haven't had the cover taken off them. So we'll definitely want a drink. Right, so it looks as if this is as far as the path goes up to this beautiful little spot. So we shall walk back now. This is absolutely beautiful. We've got the obligatory apocalypse abandoned building. No destination is complete without one. Right, so this is now, we've gone past our parking spot just down there, and we are now going in this direction up the river. I don't know how far we'll go because it's quite hot. Very nice. Oh, this is lovely. Cows over there. Could be in the UK countryside. It's just so green. I don't know. Right, so we're in July. So this is to just show you how green it is in July. Well, we're still going because we've been able to walk this whole section in the shade. So look at this, this is beautiful. So there's a sign. I don't know how far that goes now, back there. So we've turned round and we're going to go back because we are no longer in the shade and it's quite warm. I forgot my sun visor to keep the sun off my face. We'll come one day and see how far that goes and explore further. So that was a very nice little walk. Terry's decided to have a bit of a rest. He's a bit of a hot boy. Just take him down there and give him a drink. And then we'll head back to the car. It's all in the shade, which is nice. It's lovely when you can go on a nice walk and it's in the shade. Come on, Terry boy, come and have a drink. Come on, come and have a drink. Down here, this way. That's it. Come on then. All them smells, it's so exciting. Terry's having another rest. And Nelson is watching the cows. You're watching them cows, Nelson, eh? Your eyes popping out your head in your psychopathic way. What they do. Absolute psychopath. Look. Look. They're too big, Nelson. Leave them alone. Leave them alone. Right, Terry, you're going to get in by yourself. It's nice and cool, look. Under the shade, get the aircon on. Come on in. No. Come on, Terry. Come on, I know you're knackered. Come on, here you go. Come on. Come on, Terry. You're so lazy. Come on. Come on. Oh, God. You're such a muppet. Come on. You're too heavy for this, Terry. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, it's hard because you chewed the bed yesterday. Tough. Go on. Yep, you chewed the bed up yesterday. He's a good boy. Good boy. He's such a good boy. Well, good boy. Good boy. Look at poor Nelson. All he can do is sit on and look Wait there, let's turn this round at what once was his bed. And Terry's in it. He is not happy. Are you, Nelson?